Good morning guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you our house or magtutour house po tayo. And I'm going to show you ang iba't ibang klase ng tanim o iba't ibang klase ng pananim ng aking mama. So, let's go! So first, magsisimula tayo sa entrance ng aming bahay. So ito po yung makikita nyo. Yan po.
Our garden at ito yung mga tanim ni Mama, which is very in demand ngayon sa panahon natin ngayon. And
so ayun nga po,
magba-vlog po kami. Ay, saan tita na
So ayun nga po, siya po yung plantita namin, plantita at ang aming plantito. Yay! Nahilig po kami sa mga flowers. Yan nga po, as you can see, everywhere is yung durian nga.
Full of flowers!
Napakarami namin flowers dito sa bahay. Dili pa. As you can see guys, medyo haggard kayong nat. Ako ngayon kasi yan nga po, mukha ng probinsyano. So everything is beautiful, everything is arranged po according to their family. So that is a short film and vlog for this morning or house tour. So thank you for watching everyone. If you watch this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Please like and share this video.
Don't forget to like and share this video. Adios!